Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the RC Garage, and today I am fixing my HSP Rally Car. And what happened was I took it out just right here on my street, and it ended up stripping out the spur gear. So I need to replace this. I don't know if you guys can see all those teeth that are all messed up and missing because it stripped it out. So I ordered a couple replacements. And yeah, we're just gonna get to installing the spur gear. Alright, so I have the car right here in front of me. I am so sad because this is broken, stripped out spur gear. This is broken, another stripped out spur gear. And this, my RC10 GT, broken A-arm. So I gotta order an A-arm for that and the hinge pins, and then I gotta order spur gear for that. Yeah, that's it. I mean, it won't be too hard. They're actually out of stock right now, so it's gonna take a little while, which sucks. I think it's at like the end of December that the stuff will be in, so it's gonna be a few weeks before I can get those two fixed. But yeah, 3 cars right now that are not in service. Well, this one's about to be. So after this video, those 2 cars will not be in service. But yeah, so let's get to installing this spur gear. Alright, so I finally got the center differential in and the dog bones. The dog bones gave me some trouble and they were annoying as hell. But I finally got them in and it should be ready to go. So I'm just going to fire it up for you guys real quick. Oh, actually, I'm going to install the brake lever and then I will fire it up for you guys. Alright. Okay, so I'm just gonna get my glow igniter. There's already fuel in there. I already primed it. Oh, let me switch this around. So, glow igniter. It is on. And now, let's see if it'll start. Alright, well that's going to be it for this video, guys. Just a quick little video of me getting this back up and running. I also cut some holes in the front and in the back of the car just to get some air to go over the engine to just cool it down better. And I think I'm going to take this to a track next, just because, you know, it's kind of a tracky car, I guess, because it's kind of off-road, but then it's kind of street also. So I think a track would be cool to take this to. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video, guys. If you guys liked, make sure to leave a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.